Replacing the battery in a BMW 328i is a task that many owners might find daunting. But with the right tools and a bit of patience, it can be accomplished without too much hassle. First and foremost, it's essential to gather all necessary tools and materials before diving into the process. You will need a new battery that is compatible with your BMW 328i, a socket wrench set, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a pair of safety gloves to protect your hands. Before you start, it's wise to ensure that your vehicle is parked on a flat surface and that the engine is turned off. It's also advisable to wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from any potential sparks or debris. If your BMW has an alarm system or memory functions for the radio and seats, consider having a backup plan for reprogramming these features, as disconnecting the battery will reset them. Once you're prepared, open the hood of your BMW 328i and locate the battery. In most models, the battery is situated on the driver's side, near the front of the engine bay. Take a moment to inspect the battery and its surrounding area. If there is any corrosion on the battery terminals, it's best to clean it off using a mixture of baking soda and water. This step is crucial as it ensures a good connection when you install the new battery. Now, it's time to disconnect the old battery. Start by loosening the negative terminal first, which is usually marked with a minus thumb sign. Using your socket wrench, carefully unscrew the nut on the negative terminal and gently pull the cable away from the battery. It's important to keep the negative cable away from the battery to avoid any accidental reconnection. Next, repeat the process for the positive terminal, which is marked with a plus sign. Once both terminals are disconnected, you can remove any securing straps or brackets that hold the battery in place. Carefully lift the old battery out of the compartment, ensuring you maintain a firm grip as batteries can be quite heavy. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Begin by placing the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly and aligns with any securing brackets. First, connect the positive terminal by sliding the cable onto the positive terminal and tightening the nut securely with your socket wrench. Make sure it is snug, but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the terminal. After securing the positive terminal, move on to the negative terminal and repeat the process. Once both terminals are connected, double-check that everything is secure and that there are no loose cables. If your BMW has a battery cover or any additional components that need to be reattached, do so before closing the hood. At this point, it's a good idea to start the engine to ensure that the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything is in order, the dashboard should light up without any warning lights indicating battery issues. After starting the vehicle, take a moment to check that all electronics, such as the radio and seat settings, are functioning properly. If any settings have been reset, refer to the owner's manual for guidance on reprogramming them. Finally, dispose of the old battery responsibly. Many auto parts stores offer recycling programs for used batteries, ensuring they are handled in an environmentally friendly manner. In conclusion, replacing the battery in a BMW 328i is a straightforward process that can save you time and money. By following these steps, you can ensure your vehicle is powered up and ready to hit the road once again, all while gaining a sense of accomplishment from tackling the task yourself.